Okay, the purpose of this video is to show you how to evaluate a piecewise function with TI Nspire. All right, let's say we had this function here. We want to evaluate in TI Nspire. So let's go ahead and pull out TI Nspire and go from there. Okay, here we are with TI Nspire. Okay, and I'm going to do this in the graph using the graph application. So I'm going to scroll down and select graphs. All right, to enter a piecewise graph, what you would need to do is you would need to go and right next to the 9, click on this menu right here. Okay, the piecewise function, or you can use this template or this template. If you have 2 pieces, then use this one. That's for convenience. If you have 3 or more, use this one. For our example, we have 3 pieces, so we're going to use this one, and we're going to make sure we have the number of function pieces at 3. And let's press OK. Then all we really need to do is fill in our information. For the function that we want x plus 4. The value of the function is x plus 4 when x is greater than or equal to 0. And for I like to use the control equals menu for my greater thans and all that stuff. So this is x is less than or equal to 0. So let's do that, and let's put a 0 there. Now let's come down. Let's do the rest of the piecewise. We want x squared minus 5, and that is true when x is between 0 and 3. So I'm going to say 0 control equals less than x control equals standard gradient through, and that should be a 3. And then for the last piece, the function is at 2 when x is greater than 3. X control equals x is greater than, just greater than, not greater than, equal to. So I'm going to delete that and just go to control. And I need just a greater than 3. And once I press enter, there's my function. Okay, I'm going to move this around. So now you can evaluate this function right on the screen. So I'm going to use a trace function to evaluate this function. Okay, let's say I want to know what f of -2 was. So f of -2. All I got to do is go to menu, trace, graph trace, and just type -2. So f of -2 is 6. All right, as you can see in the corner there. If I want to save that point, all I gotta do is press enter and it'll mark it for me. Well, if I want to know what f of 0 is, then I just press 0. As long as the trace function is on, I just press 0, and f of 0 is 4. Okay. Again, saving these points by pressing in again is completely optional. What if I want to find f of 5? So I just press 5, press enter, and as we expect, the answer is 2. And so that's how you would use use TI Nspire to evaluate a piecewise function.